and I'm going to be talking about one of the most common questions that I'm asked when I'm at the store is, how do you take hemp oil? They see that I have gummies and that I have the tinctures and I have vape pens, and they're frowning. When they walk up, they're like, well, how do I take it? And what's the best way to take it? And so here goes. The best way, really, to take hemp oil is to take the drops, the liquid, under your tongue, where you have the most veins and capillaries on the surface of the skin. So you get a dropper full, put it under your tongue, try to hold it there for at least a minute, longer if you can. That way you get the most CBD into your bloodstream before it goes through the gut system, where a lot of your gastric juices and acids and everything will destroy the hemp oil. The other method of taking it that's really good is taking a soft gel. The nice thing about that is you can travel with it on a plane. You always get the exact same dosage when you take it as a soft gel. And just some people just don't like the taste of the hemp oil, although my stuff tastes good though, gotta tell you. And it comes in fun flavors like orange and peppermint. So that's another way of taking hemp oil. And then you can also vape it. That's becoming super, super popular. And I carry 2 different brands in my store. And the nice thing about vaping is that it's more immediate than when you take the tincture or the soft gel, which will take about 45 minutes to an hour, whereas the vape takes a few minutes. Because it goes really directly into the bloodstream. It's so much faster. So if you have pain and you want relief quickly, you want to vape it. And I carry, again, 2 different brands at the store. I have the Nature's Love, which is the only one that's USDA certified organic. It comes in 3 fun flavors. The best selling one is blueberry, but I have spring meadow and evergreen, if I'm not mistaken. And then I have another one that's super fun. Okay, this is just becoming so popular. It is by Funky Farms, and it comes in frosty watermelon, lemon cake, and gelato. And okay, so the guys at home have been trying it, and they're like, ooh, this is fun. So I'm gonna show you a box, actually. Here's frosty watermelon, gelato, and the lemon cake. Ooh, that's empty, so we've already opened it and had fun with it. The nice thing about vaping is that it's a fun way to get CBD into your system. It like I said, it's immediate, it's quicker for you. And let's say maybe, like I said, if you have pain, or you have test anxiety or flight anxiety, and you want a quicker delivery system, vaping is a really great way to do this. Both the Nature's Love and Funky Farms are full spectrum CBD hemp extract. So you have all of the cannabinoids. Unlike some companies that have a broad spectrum or CBD isolate. CBD isolate, you'll see that a lot in edibles, and that basically what that means is they've isolated the CBD. That means you don't get the other 104 cannabinoids that's in the hemp plant, so you don't get that full entourage effect, and you can look that up and Google it. And then there's broad spectrum, which is kind of in between the isolate and the full spectrum. Still good for you. You still get the benefits. If you really want a more holistic approach to taking CBD hemp oil, you want to get the full spectrum hemp oil. And then the other fun way to take hemp oil is gummies. I have that at the store, and those are considered edibles. It's sweet, it's fun, it's, you know, just like a gummy, soft, chewy, tasty, and people love it. It's actually one of the best-selling items that I have is the gummies. But you can find other things, and I probably will be carrying other stuff too. I'm planning on having some coffee, maybe tea, honey sticks. Those are really fun. There's just all kinds of edibles out there. It's, oh my God, amazing. Not everything is full spectrum, and some of it actually doesn't even have CBD, so you have to be careful because it may just say hemp oil. And hemp oil can be used for cooking. Doesn't mean it has CBD in it. So be careful. And pretty much those are the only ways that you can take hemp oil. But the most popular is really the tincture under the tongue. Best way to get it into your system. And I guess the vape pens, but not everybody likes vape pens. If you get the Nature's Love vape pen, again, it is the only one that is USDA certified organic, and it does not have PG, PEG, the polyethylene glycol, the vegetable glycerin, not even MCT. So, you know, if you really are concerned about taking things that are organic and doesn't have other additives in it or preservatives, the Nature's Love is a really great way to take your hemp oil. And actually there's one other way you can take hemp oil, and I was saving it for last because it's not, people don't talk about it much. It's not the funnest way to take it, but actually the, oh my God, best way to take hemp oil is in suppository form. Yeah. Don't see those much. There's also, I believe, like nasal sprays that you can inhale. You know, I don't know if I want to be inhaling things up my nose like that, but and I don't want to use suppositories. So, but it is actually a very effective method of taking hemp oil. And actually, I do see the benefit in taking it that way. If you have lymphoma, you have cancer, you need mega doses of CBD in your body, probably that's the best way to take it. But do your due diligence, do your research, go to Google, you look it up, type PubMed at the end of any search you do. You'll get the medical publication, so you get the best education that way. I always encourage you to do your due diligence. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Happy Hemp Day. I'll see you next Wednesday. And don't forget to visit my website, hempoilrockstar.com, or Carolina Hemp Hut. Come see me at the store. I love talking to people, and people are starting to hear about me, and they ask for me by name, and I love that. And we sit there and chat, and we talk about dosing and how to take it and when to take it and how often to take it, and can my children take it, can my grandparents take it, all kinds of questions. I can answer most questions. So come by and see me. I'm at South Point Mall in Durham on the ground level. I'm in between, I'm actually right across from the Microsoft store. So if you see the big ginormous Microsoft store, I'm kind of close to that store right there on the ground level. Again, come see me, visit my website. If you're taking CBD hemp oil, leave me a message in Facebook. I have Facebook pages that are there for your benefit, and I would love to hear your stories about how it's helping you. And again, thank you for watching. I'll see you next Wednesday on Hemp Day.